Hey guys, what's up? This is Steve with KrazeTV. Today we're checking out Thumbs.AI. This is a fantastic platform where you can make incredible thumbnails professionally and easily. So let's check it out. All right, so here we go. To the left, you can explore, create thumbs, recreate thumbs. You got template, where you got all these templates like gaming, brain rot, cinematic, and anime. Look at these. 3 a.m. and horror, luxury and lifestyle, studio and creator. So we're going to do a couple different things. What's crazy and cursed? Oh, that's cool. Master icons. There's the 80 templates here for that. Let's recreate a thumbnail. So I'm going to go ahead and upload a thumbnail. Let's go ahead and take this one. And I want to change it. So this is an unboxing of Red Heat. So let's say, let's see. I can either do a template, add your face. This is YouTube, 16:9. Generate thumbnail, 2 credits. Why don't we just go for it and see what happens? Okay, so there it is. Unboxing, surprise look. That's how easy that was, right there. Let's try another one. Okay, so let's see. Let's try it, guys. Oh, so that's pretty cool. So I wonder if I change that. Let's see here. Okay, let's make my eyes have red laser beams. How about red shooting out of them? Generate 2 credits. So we're going to have red laser beams shooting out. So more AI tools are coming on this, and Analyze is coming. So I don't know what that is, but it looks really cool. Now that is awesome. I really like that a lot. Everything looks really good and detailed on the box. A lot better than what I had. So that is cool. But give that a thumbs up and download it. You can also take a thumbnail from a YouTube link. Maybe I'll do that. All right, let's see. I'm going to take this link and we're going to do a thumbnail from a YouTube. This is from a YouTube video. Grab thumbnail. Eye-catching background. I don't know. Let's try it. There's no doubt that eye-catching oh yeah, I like that. Eye-catching thumbnails really make a difference. It wasn't good to begin with, but they just made it a ton better. And see, this is just plain. So we want to, let's do, all right, let's change to a scarier text and make the whole thumbnail more gothic looking, but keep the building unchanged except to make more vivid looking. I don't know if this is going to work or what, but let's try it. All right, there it is. So Shadows of Bartonville, Peoria State Hospital. Actually looks really amazing. I like it. It's a lot scarier, a lot more eye-catching. So really cool. That's how you change. So you can go in and essentially change all your thumbnails on your YouTube videos. A lot easier doing it that way. So let's go ahead and image to thumbnail. All right. Let's see. Select an asset. We don't want that. Upload and drag. Let's check. Let's try this one. So with this one, we can go ahead and make a wow face and a thumbs up. Look at that. That's pretty funny. It made my thumbs up and everything just look totally natural. My surprised look. All right, so let's go to my face and emotion. I want this is one of my profiles here. Let's go ahead and upload this one. We'll just do a couple of them. Let's do Scream right now. Generate for 2 credits. We can save this face, but let's just try this real quick. Wow, now that's crazy. That is a Scream. Try this one and we'll do Hype. There it is, Hype. So you can see, guys, it's an amazing tool. So let's see what else can we do. All right, let's try this one. Recreate thumbnail. And we're going to select an asset. All right, this one worked a little bit better. I do not have a fat stomach like that. but it sort of looks like me, but not. You know, it's funny though. I'm gonna pass on that one. That one's pretty funny because it thinks I have short hair, but I got my hair in a bun right now. So I guess that isn't a good representation of. Let me see here. Let's try a different one. All right, let's take this one and let's see. Upload a photo. I'm gonna upload something else. I got it. All right, here's what I look like with my hair down. All right, let's go ahead, save and use face. Now let's go ahead and generate thumbnail with the new face and the hair down. Oh my God, look at that. Now that is funny. So that's how good it works, man. What's another template? Conjuring. Okay, let's try this one. Show face, and we'll do the long hair face. Wow, look at that one. Oh man, is that crazy or what? What's this movie style? Cinematic self-filming. Let's try this. Recreate thumbnail. Text reading movie styles. Let's change the text. Place large, bold, condensed, white. This is how you change the text. So we just highlight this. And what do we want to change it? Let's see. Adventures in driving. Let's just change it to Adventures in Driving. Please upload thumbnail image first. Select from asset. Use. Let's see if it works. There it is. Not bad. I look a little weird there, but yeah, it does a great job though. Amazing, isn't it? Let's try one more here. Okay, so text. Let's go ahead and do something like this, fire text, and then make text more stand out. All right, let's see what happens here. Okay, that's a lot better. Day of the Dead. Really cool text, unboxing and review. It's got a really, really polished and cinematic look to the background here. Pretty sweet. Now, if we want to take that and change it, we can use this for thumbs creation. And let's see, how about change? We can make variations. Say we want to make a short, a 9:16. Let's see how that works. All right, create a more cinematic horror thumbnail with a wow on my face. And we're going to do a short 9:16. Let's see what it does. So if we want to regenerate this one, I might regenerate this one. If I want to do something different with it, I just got to hit reuse, and I can make thumbnail pop more vivid and eye-catching background. How about I hold the air conditioner box with a surprised look. Let's try that. Okay, so here's the short one. Daily Dead unboxing. He cut off review, but we could add that. Really did a good job at the shorts, though. Really impressed with that. Let's see here. So if I go, do not cut off review text. Let's see. Now this is freaking awesome. That made a big difference. U-shaped AC unbox and install Medea really made that a lot better. So that is very impressive. A lot better than what I had here. I could actually change the text to match more of this, but I do like that. That is a lot more eye-catching. So that's cool. This one is good, but I like this way better. For right now, that's a good demonstration of how to really change that. Okay, so there you go. I said do not cut off review, and it added it back in. Unboxing and review is right there. So I love the flames around the 4K. So if I want to reuse that and then change that to a YouTube 16:9, let's go ahead and do that. There it is. Now that is sweet. So I might actually change my thumbnail to that, because I really like that a lot. All right, guys, so I was thinking one more. Let's just do one more, maybe with this one, and let's see if we can reuse. And let's do can you add Michael Myers? And let's just try it. Let's just try it. There it is. Look at that, guys. Is that not freaking awesome? It just... So there you go. I guess you can. I've just proved it. I've never tried it, but yeah, it works. Can I add Jason too? How about, wait, can I add Michael Myers, Jason Voorhees? This might be too much. Let's try it. I should have put a scared look on my face. Holy cow, it did it. That's freaking awesome. All right, so there it is, guys. That's Thumbs.AI. Impressive. Hopefully you got a good idea how to make these thumbnails. So easy. It's so easy. I provided a link in the top of the video description where you can go check this out and get started. Get started for free, okay? That's it, guys. That is Thumbs.AI. I give it 2 thumbs up. Amazing platform. It'll really drive viewership to your YouTube videos. I have no doubt about that. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm Steve with KrazeTV, and I'll see you guys on the next one.